Hello everyone. So we're gonna we're gonna review the AI Sidekicks. And the AI Sidekicks is basically, you know, very similar to Vibe, but it isn't as in-depth as Vibe is. Uh, so right here you have the option move this over here. You have the option of, putting in your own, telling you what you would like to work on today. So, for instance, you could say, create an analytical board for sales. And then you would click the little button, the little arrow up button. So it's going to show you that it's thinking. So it says, I'll help you create an analytical board for sales. Let me ask you a few clarifying questions. So it's going to ask you a few questions. Obviously, the first one is it wants to know what aspects of sales do you want to track. So I'm gonna say leads. I'm gonna say leads. For that, go ahead and create the name, company name. So it creates all those things for you. And then it'll ask you like sales rep, people assigned, contact date, estimated value, email. So these are all the columns that will be added onto your board. And then it's going to ask you, does this structure look good or would you like to change anything? And so I'm going to say, add a dashboard. For the different kinds of leads. And then it's going to generate again. Versus cold. It's going to lead breakdown by status, lead distribution by source, lead count by sales rep, total estimated value by lead status, hot versus warm versus cold leads. And then we're gonna, should I go, now it's asking you, should I go ahead and create this? And I'm gonna tell him, yes. I'm gonna tell Sidekicks, yes. Okay, so now what it's going to do is it is going to start creating. And then we're not going to even worry about this yet. And then it says your board includes 10 columns tracking everything from lead name and contact info to estimated value and status, 3 groups organizing leads by temperature, 6 sample leads with realistic data to get you started. And then the key columns are going to be lead status, lead source, estimated value, and full contact details. The sales leads analytic dashboard, it's going to have leads broken down by status, distributed by source, performance by sales rep, and total pipeline value, hot versus warm versus cold lead comparison. Now, what we're going to do is, if you look down on your left-hand bottom, you're going to see sales lead. That is our board that we created. And as you can see, Sidekicks created this board on its own. And then the next thing is that we created a dashboard as well. So let's go over here and see. So okay. So this basically is what this does. Let me see. Oh, I was in the wrong one. So yes, this is the dashboard and reporting, all tasks, stuff done. This is what it created for us. So this was the dashboard that it created, and then this is the table, the main table for it. So that is how you use Sidekicks. I hope this helps, and just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.